A lot of y'all actually asked me for my skincare routine, a morning skincare routine, and here I am gonna share everything that I use. These are the products that I've been using over few months now, which have really worked for my skin. So let's quickly get started. So this is my bare skin. I have nothing on my face right now. So the first product that I'm going to apply is a toner. Now this is something it looks like. This is by the brand Tony Moly and this is their Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. I bought this in the month of November and just look at how much I've used. This will go a very long way. I'll put the price tag right here for you so that you know what exactly is the price. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take few drops of it and then just apply it on my skin and just pat it. Never forget your neck and your ears. This contains ceramide. It not only nourishes but also moisturizes your skin. It's a multi-use toner for bouncy and mochi-like skin. Before we move to another step, we are going to wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute and then move to the next one. Let's move to the next step, which is a serum again. Now, this is the 6 peptide skin booster serum. Now, this has hyaluronic acid and amino acid with NAG. This helps to even out your skin, helps in hydration. It also firms and smooth your skin, and it also helps with the pore and sebum care. It improves the skin texture, which is something I absolutely love. I am completely obsessed with this product, and if you see, I have only used this much of the product. The next product I have is by the Oddly, and it is their Argiline Solution 10%. Now, this is called a Botox in a bottle. You know, when there is wrinkles and there are fine lines, you tend to go to a dermat and get that fixed by injecting yourself with that Botox injection. This is exactly what it does, but honestly, it is not injecting something inside your skin. This is like a serum which acts in the same way. So this is really beautiful. I'm going to take few drops of it and gently going to apply it on my forehead, around my eye area, around my chin area, and the leftover we can just apply it throughout the face, and that's about it. Gently pat it so that it gets absorbed in your skin very nicely. Also remember that your neck area is extremely sensitive and it gets prone to, fine lines and wrinkles, so don't forget that area. The next product I have is a moisturizer. Now this is by Dr. Sheth and this is their Kesar and kojic acid oil-free moisturizer. This actually helps to hydrate and fade away the pigmentation from your face. So this is really beautiful. I've been using this over 2 years now and I absolutely love this product. This has Kesar extract, 1% kojic acid and alpha arbutin, which helps to hydrate and fade away the pigmentation from the skin. It is suitable for all skin type. The next step is very important and crucial. Whichever season you are in, you cannot skip this product, and you know that I'm talking about sunscreen. Now this is the B Body Vice Ultra Light Sunscreen with an SPF 50. This comes with an anti-acne technology with zero white cast and it has PA with triple plus, which is so great. Now this actually cleans that it gets absorbed in your skin in just 3 seconds. I've already done a lot of videos where we have tested this claim and it has been 100% true. So that is something that I love. And always remember that never forget your neck, your ears, and back of the ears. This sunscreen is actually made with a new age filters, which means that it is not going to penetrate inside your skin and just going to be on the top of your surface, which actually means that it is not going to disrupt your hormones inside and not enter the bloodstream. And hence, I like this product a little too much. So, the last product is obviously a lip balm. Now, I've done everything on my skin. The last step is lip balm, and always remember that we should use a lip balm with an SPF when we are stepping out or even when we are inside the house. It's extremely important that we use a good amount of SPF. Now, this product is by Wishcare and this is their ceramide lip balm But the best thing about this product is it is a tinted lip balm and it is with an SPF 50 with a PA3 pluses. Just look at how it beautifully glides on your lips and just look at the tint. It's so beautiful. And yes, that's about it. This is the final look only of my skincare. My skin really feels hydrated and moisturized. It doesn't feel sticky at all. So this is something it looks like, and I absolutely love how it feels and looks on my skin. I am a combination skin girly, just for information if you want to know that. And yes, I love it. And I really hope that you liked this video. And if you did, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.